Bet you didn't know you can draw a cute dinosaur using just a Z and a 7. First write Z for the body and a big 7 below for its large legs. Now we complete the dino by connecting them up with lines. Look at that. If you love easy art tricks, subscribe to this channel right now. Time to color. Let's splash some beautiful light green right on the belly part. Let's add some bright yellow for the skin and orange for the details. Smash that like button if it is looking cute. And boom, our complete adorable dinosaur is done. If you are looking for more easy art like this, hit that subscribe button immediately. Thank you for watching.